Hey, yo, Tyrell. Fucking photo. We're filming this shit, man.
Right, don't say movie.
Stomp your feet. Hey, stomp your feet.
Chilla.
Oh, you saying she can't play? No. I have to work for her. And that's not to say that, she shouldn't be treated with respect or, I want her, when she gets to that age to marry a man who's going to take care of her, treat her well.
Yeah,
but at the same time, she's not entitled to shit.
Boy, you don't pull
That's
this
the
shit
thing
up
with
in that
some people- some
motherfucking
people-
driveway.
some people
God
positions
damn.
think they're
My white tee, young light, Spike Lee, look like,
Hello?
Yeah,
What's up? What you doing?
right.
damn, you ain't been up for stop. Made that wide ass turn. Nigga supposed to stop. What? The fuck?
We stuck together. Cause we said when that one
yeah.
that's
Holy. Mm. Fuck.
What you got to do in this generation. From my perspective as a man,
Right.
and how I move, I think it's horrible.
Damn, he put his hand on his face. Wrong down street. Damn, fucking one way. Down.
Take it straight on.
All right, let's see my left. Okay, grandma. Now, grandma. Grandma, you got to get all the way over. Grandma, come on now. You got to get over and out the way.
Picture this month a little bit different. No one is ever ready when it unfolds. You get